Okay, so what you'll need is activated charcoal / activated carbon, which you can easily find at your local pet store in the fish section, because this is actually what's used to like filter like your fish tank for your fish, and that's what we're gonna use to filter our mask. And then you'll need an empty 2-liter bottle like this one. You'll need an empty soda can, and these both have to be like dry and washed, and some cotton pads, duct tape, and a box cutter or an X-Acto knife. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first step is you'll get your activated charcoal out in like a spoon, and as you can see, it's in like really big chunks, and we don't want that. We want it to get into a powder. So basically, you'll just get like a spoon and just crush it until it's in a powder. So now that it's crushed into like a somewhat powder, then we'll start the next step. So for the next step, we're gonna cut off the bottom of this bottle. And as you can see, there's still like some soapy water in here because like I just finished drinking the soda and I had to like clean it. So after we cut it off, we're just gonna dry it because it's important that the bottle is completely dry.
The top. Play with knives.
So it should look something like this. Zach is doing it. While Zach is cutting it, then I'm gonna wash.
Yo!
Okay, ready?
And good.
Now for the next step, we are going to need a Sharpie and the thing that you just dried. And you're just gonna like basically draw out like a face mask right here. I don't know exactly how to do this, but you know, I'll try. Okay, so you're gonna outline the face hole. So once you're done outlining the face mask, you'll just want to like cut it out. Okay, so it should look a little like this, and Zach's is better. He can put it on. It looks pretty good right now. Yeah, I'm probably gonna put tape on the top of mine because I have a small head. So if you have a small head like me, you should do that as well.
It's Corona time.
But we're gonna do that later because the next step is with these. Okay, so our next step is with our handy dandy X-Acto knife again. And you're just gonna cut all the way around like the middle of this. Or like maybe like a little more to the top. So I'm gonna do that right now.
Okay, we'll come back when they're fully cut.
Okay, so now you should have something like this. And that is gonna go like on to here. You're gonna tape it on. But you're not gonna do that yet because now we're gonna use the cotton pads. Yeah. Zach's is still wet, and I already dried mine, but if your pan is still wet, you should definitely dry it because if that's even a tiny bit wet, it's not gonna work. Because then the charcoal is gonna moisten up, and it's not gonna work anymore. Yeah, that's good. So you can find your cotton pads at your local, like just basically any store where they have like makeup, because these are used for like taking off makeup. So you're gonna want to put a few at the bottom. Wait. Maybe like 3 or 4 at the bottom. Like 3 or 4 at the bottom. And since like the can is a little too wide for the cotton pads, you can put some on the side like this, so it kind of like takes up the space like this, like what I'm doing right now.
Here, go ahead and show us that can right there.
Wait, one more.
You can show them how they have to put it in the sides.
So just like basically just like this, just put the cotton pads on the sides, so
Okay.
it like kind of
Cover up the empty edges, right?
Okay, next step, you're going to use the charcoal, activated charcoal. this is your next step. You're going to get a big spoonful of your activated charcoal, like this, and just pour it in.
We might need to grind up more because Zach might not have enough. So like that.
For the last step of this part, you're just gonna put like maybe 3 or 4 cotton pads on top of the activated charcoal. Okay, so now you're basically just gonna tape the canister, which is the soda can. You're gonna tape that to this, whatever this is. Wait, I'm gonna do this. Gonna put the tape around. And then this one, if it cooperates. Alright, and it doesn't have to look pretty.
Survival doesn't have to be pretty to be survival.
Quotes.
Quotes by Michael.
Okay, so now that Zach is finished, we are going to poke holes in the bottom. Like basically just like really mini, really small, minuscule holes. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. As you can see, this is the final result of the gas mask. It turned out a lot better than I thought it would. On to Zach.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we're cool.
Yeah.